Hi guys, welcome to this session in SharePoint. What I want to cover in this module is how to get your files from SharePoint into Windows Explorer. So you can just use Windows Explorer to navigate into a SharePoint site. So I'm going to open this one, Classroom-based courses, and go on to site contents at the top there. And you can see the site contents, not a lot going on here, but you've got a document library and you can see it there. If I go into that one, there's only one file. But what you've got when you go into this library is these two options at the top. You've got the sync, and then you've got add shortcut to OneDrive. So if I click on that one first, that's added a shortcut to this document. Now if I go into my computer, into OneDrive, you've got, there it is, classroom-based courses. And there I can see charting 2020, which is in there. So that's as simple as that. You just added the shortcut. Now I'm back in SharePoint, and what I'm going to do is go into site contents and just add another document library. So if I go new document library, I'll do a blank one, call it training. Oops, caps lock is on, training. And then create that as a second document library in this site. And then if I just do a new Excel file so you can get this, see how it works. New Excel file. And then I'll just call this Steve. And then that'll do. Close that. I don't want to do anything in it. Close. So there's a document. There's a new document library. You get the same options there. I can click on add to OneDrive and I'll get the same thing going off on this document library. I'll go back into Windows Explorer. That's the one. And Steve, couldn't see it for looking, but there you go. There's the folder. There's the first folder. And there's Steve. Now, if I want to sync the whole site as opposed to the document libraries, I need to do this. I'm just going to pick a different site. Click on software implementation 2022 when it was made. So if I go into the document library on this one, I'm going to use a different option. So I've done that one on the other ones. So that's basically syncing the actual folder, the documents library, to OneDrive. If I click on sync, what I want to do here is sync the whole thing. So if I click on open, it then opens up OneDrive. And if I close this, we're syncing the files. So this whole thing has been synced. I'll go down to, there you go, software implementation. If I click on that, no file. So let's just do new, do an Excel spreadsheet, call it staff. It's going in there. Just close it down. Just needs to refresh. There we go. So now if I go back down to this, there it is. There's the folder. And I've deleted the folders that was in there and the files that was in there, should I say. So two ways of doing this. You can sync individual document libraries to the OneDrive, or you can sync the entire site to your computer. Either way, you get a link through Windows Explorer into a SharePoint file. So hopefully that little bit of a video was of use. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.